Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my Tanveer Tech YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is affiliate marketing. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click on a search bar and search what is affiliate marketing. When you search what is affiliate marketing, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website affiliate marketing. What is and how does it get to started? When you click this website, the page will be opened of what is affiliate marketing and what is does and how to get started. Affiliate marketing is a marketing model in which third-party publisher promote and merchant or server to the receive a percentage and sales by traffic and create the result. It is typically considered a key part of your modern digital marketing. Affiliate marketing appeal to the business because it is able to them and meet their marketing goal at the low cost. Its benefit affiliated by offering them to opportunities and make passive income, generating affiliate revenues requiring developing a platform and building an online audience. In addition, it is essential to stay current with your industry trends. For example, according to Affiliate Insider, artificial intelligence is the good software will be paid for increasing role in how affiliate marketers collected data and make decisions in 2023. In this article, learn more about the career path of and how does it work and how to begin your affiliate marketing efforts. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a revenue sharing marketing method in which third-party affiliates such as blogger and YouTuber, advertiser, business group and services help to meet sales and marketing goals. A business might work with your affiliate increases sale, web traffic and brand awareness at the cost of connected with a specific affiliate audience. And company that is partnered with a fitness blogger targeted fitness-minded reader in return of affiliate earn a percentage of your sale and customer traffic due to their marketing efforts. While revenue sharing is not a new marketing concept, modern affiliate marketing typically refers to online digital marketing in which affiliate link to the business product and services online and receive the percentage of sales or web traffic. Statistics estimated the affiliate marketing spending could be taken approximately $8.2 billion in 2022. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing involves four main factors who are each of the required and unique part of marketing process. First is the affiliate or publisher. The individual or entity promote your merchant spot and product or services. In the second number, the merchant. Individual entity selling for your product services affiliate promotes. The affiliate network, any intermediary between affiliate and merchant affiliate program. While affiliate merchant cannot be connected without affiliate network, it is common chance for such as relationship. The customers, the individual offered purchases product throughout an affiliate merchant and affiliate collaborate a connection with them and affiliate audience in the order of converting them into customers. Typically, an affiliate cannot be connected with merchant throughout an affiliate network. Affiliate may be able to find appropriate merchant. For example, a network might suggest a range of tech products and affiliate tools with you collaborate, cell phone and occasionally affiliate and the merchant connected with originally throughout direct contact. For instance, a merchant of manufactured cake pans might be connected with an affiliate who's right about baking, and it is the order to get their product in the front of affiliate audience. Affiliate marketing example. You likely have seen example of affiliate marketing because before even you have to did not realize it. The reason it is simple, the most effective affiliate marketing tends to the paired with the quality content and Twitter enjoy to find useful, although it can be tempting to improving various products and the make sales that will drive traffic. For merchant affiliates who have been developed in the trust of audience and highlighting quality product in their deliver and it is more likely to inspire audience member and make to purchase. In other words, quality and relevant sales. Some common example of affiliate program marketing include website converting, general topic and occasionally include affiliate link and blog post of articles such as in this list kitchen essential, compiled and cooking focused website kitchen.com. YouTube videos is included affiliate link and description such as the one attachment to your MKBHD my everyday to back 2022 videos. Dedicated views of website and to cover the product to appeal the targeted readership such as care protocol and the file cutter. Affiliate marketing salary. Affiliate revenue is a highly variable and can often fluctuate. Furthermore, the year to year. Furthermore, it can be take a time of affiliate marketing to build online audience and make a profit.